Hi kids, welcome back. Colors. Kids, let's learn colors name. Violet color, light green, sky blue, orange, pink, red, yellow, black, brown, green, purple, blue. Kids, in this video we will press capital letters A, B, C, D and numbers 1, 2, 3. Let's press A. A for apple. B. B for ball. Brown color. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for eagle. F. F for fish. G. G for goat. H. H for horse. I for ice cream. Purple color. J. J for juice. K. K for kangaroo. Black color. L. L for lion. M. M for monkey. N. N for nest. O. O for octopus. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rose. Blue color. S. S for star. T. T for tiger. Pink color. U. U for unicorn. V. V for van. W. W for whale. X. X for xylophone. And Y. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zoo. Red color. Numbers 1. O-N-E 1. 2. T-W-O 2. 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. Sky blue color. 4. F-O-U-R 4. Number 5. F-I-V-E 5. Number 6. S-I-X 6. Orange color. 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. 9. N-I-N-E 9. 1. 0. 10. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 1, 0, 10. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.